Thank you very much.
Okurahiza bakansara begombora ya Bugamba mu district ya Rampara kubira hambuga nkule insize gomboreji omuringugo kandi bakansara bamwe barebirwe bari kugiturire Bugamba mu Jungu.
Mighty God ceremony affirm that I will be faithful and bear true legacy to the public of Uganda, and that is I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Uganda. Here come for God.
Just say good in the name of the Lord that be faithful and bear challenges in public of Uganda.
Bitabandi barebwe bari kupfomfoza urujungu.
So in the name of the mighty God, ceremony affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
And defend the Constitution and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the welfare of the people of this county. So help me God.
Ekindi kushaba ba councillors oku mwarahizibwa no kugira enkwatanisa babantu batakukwatanisa tubakora hamwe kandi no kumanya umurumo gwanyu nka councillors kikirira abantu abatorine kubasa kubahohereza akuba emukwiya omu bantu banyu mwene kuba numbereta omukanso yegomborera kureba ngo byashyikirizibwa.
Aha Pascal Winfred n'otore no kuba speaker w'ishendero ry'egombora ya Bugamba mu district ya Rampara. Abebembezi abahona baraganiza kwatanisa okukorera abantu.
Ekyo kubanza n'enkwatanisa kya kabiri no kusya abantu ubuhereza
kandi umukurahira kwanje binkiriza ibyo abantu banyahandagaza abantu muri kubokora abo kubantu kitiyo twerekerire na munonga ko muri kitojo no kongera ibintasa yamaka
kureba ngo bafa aha service delivery obwiro bwinji abamwe boija omubutegeki omwe barikushorera byabo umwe batekateka ngo baza kuyihamu entasya naro bweiga konka itwe nkarwampara district ikigenderwa cyitwa ni service delivery.
Omugandi district ya Kabarore hakanitse cyo kuhereza imbuga za yonkuru aha Rainbow Fort Poto egumizingo bine kutahe miringo etari yemwe nemwe okureba ngo bagumano bazitunga musente baba bazifurikiremo. Ebi bigambirwa hakora hizabe bembeza basya aba district eji abari mukuru wa district na council ye.
I, Alberto Frakatabata, swear in the name of the Almighty God,
solemnly affirm that I will give faithful service to this council,
that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution.
So help me God.
Person to wait a road registered in our names as Kabarole District Local Government. Mr. Chairman, all the monies that were used to construct this building were a contribution from the taxpayers of Kabarole, independent from Fort Poto Municipal Council as it was then. Therefore, Fort Poto Municipal Council did not contribute a single penny for the construction of this building.
Nanye rumors imbere n'inzuhura ba Fort Poto site ne bamanya ngo tranturugamu ne bayiza abantu ba Kabarole bayina kwesima muno abokuba omuntu bahiro bzinanziwa bokulinde ibintu byabo musaiza munyamateka kandi kimanyire ngo land title mukama wa land title no wagira itaka no wagira ekyombeko so ekizimbe kinu kizimbe kya Kabarole district kandi kina nho kujya nka properties ezini
people of Kabarole like we own property at Rukidi 3 where post bank has been and Buhinga Stadium and the others. Mr. Chairman, this should be one of your properties as council, which can be a source of local revenue that can support council business going forward.
bakansera tuganirireho nabo batugambira abintu barikwenda kutandikiraho
obuli bw'enguzi mu bakozi ninterera chairperson waitu LC5 anyakwizire. You have a very big task ahead of you. Orwane otekoho obulyo orore warwanisa banu enkozi zebibi za rugamu
omagombora gatarigamu tunema extension za masanyarazi umbikale bitalibimu tunema upgrading of health centers, others to health center 4, others to hospital.
Ntueta ebintu ebitukoboraho ebitubentu korana nawe ntunera ngo engude zetu zikafwa amarwaro bohereza ntubwetaga amasomero nkegombora muguso twini Somalia secondary school ntunera ngo baragena mu ntebe tungi Somalia senior secondary school.
Omwaka gwa 2020 Fort Portal katebwa harengo rwa city kandi ihwa district ya Kabarore konko mukugihindura Rembo emwanye mwenka Kitumba ahembuga nkuru za district ya Kabarore ziri ekihwa district yatebwa mu Rembo Fort Portal. Eki kikamanisa ngo district kabeine kufurika mu mbuga zayo nukwe ezirekere rubuga Fort Portal. Ahabwa TV West Incident Chelsea na Jordan Singwire.